Good evening, beta.
Ma'am, it's raining, but I'm feeling getting wet today.
What happened? It's raining, so what happened?
I see the rain.
So what happened?
So when the wind came, I was getting my back on my shirt got wet.
The water is coming inside.
Yes.
It must be raining heavily.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Not raining
Okay, no
heavily, but
worries.
ma'am, so like I have a
You
network
can
issue.
close your windows, no? So that's it. You can close your windows.
Yes, ma'am.
So close the windows. Water won't come inside.
Close my windows. What
Yes,
windows?
the room windows. You're saying no, the water is coming inside.
Yes.
So close the window.
Amma, close the window.
Okay, children. So let's start. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So what were we doing in the previous class? Can anyone
Ma'am, we
tell
are
me?
doing that. Ma'am, we are doing that summation x, like to find the mean in tabular form, like summation x fi xi by summation fy.
Okay.
Last class we were just doing division. The whatever we discussed till that day.
Mhm. Okay. Okay, good. I understood. Okay, so let's do today. So today I'll teach you one more new thing. See, you have done now bar graphs. Okay, you have the understanding of bar graphs. So today we'll
Ma'am,
do,
why can't we practice the questions on, like
yes, we will practice questions and I'll show you something more also. I'll teach you something more. Then we'll do practice of bar graphs. Okay, yes.
Ma'am, why am I not getting my like that subjective test marks?
Okay, why you are not getting means?
Ma'am, I'm not like usually we get that marks right
I have
in
to
the
check
wise
that.
up.
No, I have to check that. Only after that you will get. No, your class papers are not checked yet. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So once I check, then only you will get. Okay. So this is,
There is some disturbance like in the
yes,
voice.
somebody's side there is disturbance.
Not hear you properly.
Yes. Whoever it is, please mute
ma'am,
for some time.
Ma'am, I think it's Siddhant, like he's unmuted.
Okay. Yours is class 7.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta.
Ma'am, I'm at my grandparents' house, so that's why I'm like joined with my grandparents' name.
Okay, okay. So this is you, Dr. Veer.
Yes, ma'am, that's my grandfather.
Okay, okay. Never mind, bache. That's nice. Okay. So today we'll do some questions on bar graph. Is it, should we move to bar graph or you want to do more practice on
The fun part has finally come.
Ma'am, bar graph.
Ma'am, bar graph.
Okay. So everyone should have your graphs then. Do you all have your graph papers with you?
Ma'am, I don't have my graph notebook.
Ma'am, I also don't have one.
So,
Ma'am, no. I also don't have.
so then arrange for the graph first, then only we'll do,
Ma'am,
can do
can
that.
we do practice?
Yes, of course we are doing practice. Okay, so we'll do practice of this and please keep your graphs with you then. Okay, for tomorrow's class, keep your graphs ready with you. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so we are not doing the bar graphs today. Keep your bar graph, keep your graph papers ready for tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we have a class, no? Right? So keep your graph papers ready for tomorrow. Okay, so today we'll do some practice on mean, median, mode. Okay, the tabular way we were doing. Okay, we'll do more practice on that today.
Okay, ma'am.
If you want, can you revise from the beginning?
Who is this?
Ma'am, if you want. I already know.
Who is this child?
Ma'am, Hamza.
Okay. Okay, Hamza, we'll do. We'll take some of the questions from the beginning part also.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what happened?
Can you hear me? Hello, ma'am.
Huh. Okay. So find the, please note down the question. Find the range of height. You have to find the range. Okay, what is range now? The difference between the highest value and
Highest and the lowest observation.
yes.
Observation.
So find the range. So difference between the highest and the lowest value is called the range. Now find the range of heights of 10 students. Range of heights of 10 students. Okay. So the heights of 10 students will be, suppose if I give you the heights of 10 students, 160 centimeters, 153 centimeters, 158 centimeters, okay, then 162 centimeters, then 157 centimeters, okay, then 156 centimeters, 159 centimeters, 154 centimeters, 152 centimeters, and then 161 centimeters. Okay, so please find the range.
Ma'am, after 162 centimeters is 157 or 57?
After 150, 152,
After 162 centimeters,
it's
what's the number?
157.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please find the range of this. And after finding the
Ma'am,
range,
8.
okay, okay, range is 8. Okay, please find the BD. Can you find the mode and
Ma'am, sorry, it's 9. Range is 9.
Range is 10.
okay, so please find
Range is 10, ma'am.
Ma'am, range is 9.
which is the highest value here.
Ma'am,
Highest
162.
value is 162, which is the lowest value here.
152.
152.
Ma'am,
So
150.
why so much of confusion? That's 10
151.
centimeters, okay?
152.
Okay, now can you find the mean of this? Please find the mean of this. Please mute somebody your side if there is disturbance. Mute yourself.
All the heights.
What happened?
Ma'am, do we need to find the mean of all
ma'am?
these heights?
Yes.
ma'am?
Yes, please find the mean of these heights.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Say.
Keep your graph papers tomorrow.
Keep your graph papers ready for tomorrow.
Really?
Ready and really. Okay. Okay, please find the mean of this. How do you find the mean? Mean is sum of observations.
By number of
observation
Very
and
good.
number of observation.
My number of
Okay, Sudarshan, can you do this? Can you find the mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please do sum of
Mean
observations.
means sum of observation.
Yes, upon number of observations. So what are your observations here? Your observations are all these values of heights which are given, okay? And number of observations will be,
Ma'am, a thunderstorm.
what happened?
A thunderstorm.
You can't understand. Okay, so sum of
It's just
observations.
a thunderstorm or lightning.
See here, sum of all, these are your observations. 160 plus 153 plus 158 plus
Ma'am,
162 plus 157. Yes.
I got the answer.
Okay, very good, beta. 1 second. Let me just, explain this, then I'll ask you. Who is this child who has got the answer?
Ma'am, Adrit.
Adri. Okay, beta. Okay.
Hey,
This is the sum
hey,
of
ma'am. Swipe up, swipe up. I didn't write it.
so find the sum of the observations and then divide by the number of observations. Done?
Ma'am, I got as 167.2.
Ma'am, I got 157.2.
No, I'm asking what is the total sum of observations first?
Ma'am, sum is 1571.
1572.
Ma'am, it is 1572.
1,500.
Ma'am,
Yes.
1502.
1572.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1572.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am,
So your mean will be this.
1500.
Okay. So your mean height will be
Hi there.
157.2. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let's do more on this. So Sudarshan, you got your answer? Yes, Sudarshan, you got your answer? Okay, please do
Ma'am,
this.
I'll help you.
You got your answer?
Mean is equal to sum of observation by number of observation, right?
Yes. What did you get?
162 minus 152 is equal to 10.
Okay, that is with a range. That is range you have found out. Okay. If the mean of 6, 4, 7, P and 10 is 8, find the value of P. Find the value of P. Okay, do this. So the mean is already given. The mean is 8, which is given. These are the observations. You have to find the value of P. Can you do this?
After an
Ashwath, what are you doing?
What, ma'am?
Who is this?
Ma'am, not.
Ma'am, Sudarshan.
Sorry. Oops. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, beta, no problem. No, bache, it's okay.
It's just a rain.
Ma'am, P is 13.
P is 13. Okay,
Yes, ma'am, 1,
let
3,
me check with
13.
everyone. Okay,
Yes, ma'am, P is 13.
okay,
Ma'am, can you explain this question?
Ma'am, P is 13.
okay. Now see here, we all know that mean is the same sum of observations. Okay, sorry, sum of observations upon number of observations, is it? So this means we are already given the mean in this case. It is written if the mean of these observations is 8, find P. So that means sum of observations is 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus P upon how many numbers, and 10 also. And how many observations are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5. So divided by 5. So just add up these numbers. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 and 10 is 20. 27. So that becomes 27 plus P by 5. So here we already have 6, 8 here. So 8, this becomes 8 equals to 27 plus P by 5. So when I cross multiply this becomes 40. And this side I have 27 plus P. Okay, 27. So my P will be 40 minus 27. When 27 goes on the other side, it will become minus, is it? So this becomes
Yes.
47 minus 20. So 47 minus 20 will be 30.
13.
Okay. Huh. Okay, so that means the value of P is 30. Right?
Ma'am, X. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the other question, X is 12.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So please wait for the turn. I'll ask each one of you. Others should also get the turn to say their answers, no? Okay. Ritesh and Rishit. Okay. If the mean of these numbers is 7. Now here in this case, mean is already given to us. Okay. Mean is already given here. And sum of observations are 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus x plus 4. These are the observations divided by the number of observations. How many numbers are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. So when we take the total of these numbers, this is 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. Okay. So that is 23 plus x by 5. equals to 7. Right? So when you take this on the top, just multiply like this, first
Multiply, divide by 23. Sorry,
That,
subtracted by 23.
okay, so your value of x will be 30 minus 23, which is
Yes,
equal
ma'am.
to 7.
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes,
if the mean, could you scroll up?
one
Ma'am,
second.
how it is 30?
Hmm?
How
35.
it is 30?
Oh no, I'm so
Yes,
sorry.
ma'am.
This is 35.
30, right?
This is 35.
Excuse
So
me.
this means, one second, one second. So,
Ma'am, 12.
yes, what do you want to see, Sudarshan?
Could you scroll up and see anything?
Yes, done.
6, 4, 7, P and 10 is 8. Find the values of P. Mean is equal to sum of observations, number of observations. OBS means the observation.
Yes. Yes. So have you understood this? See, mean is already given to us,
Yes,
which
ma'am.
is 8. And here I'm taking the sum of all. Sum means what? Sum means when you add all these numbers. Okay? And divided by how many numbers are these? That is 5 numbers are these. Are you understanding? Or you're just noting down, Sudarshan?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Have you understood? No?
Yes, I understood it.
So understanding is the most important thing. Okay? Okay. So let's
6 plus 4 plus 7 plus P plus 10 by 8.
okay. So let's take another question here.
Scroll
Yes.
up.
Scroll up.
Yes.
Yes.
Is equal to 27 plus P by 5. 8 is equal to 27 plus P by 5. 40 is equal to 27 plus P. P is equal to 40 minus 27 is equal to 13. Therefore, P is equal to 13.
Okay, take the another question. Okay, you got it, no? Screen I'm seeing here. I'm repeating the question here. Please note down the means.
Ma'am, can you ask Sudarshan to mute?
Ma'am, while we are finding the mean,
Please
can we count the value of P
What happened?
of observations? Like, ma'am, suppose it's like 6, 8, 5, 6, and 4. So from the and then in that number of observations, can we count X, the variable?
Yes, you have to count, no? That's how you will say, no? So this is first observation, then second, third, fourth, fifth. So these are in total 5 observations there, no? In that, one was the unknown observation, which you had to find out. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So the mean of marks scored by 100 students, please note down this, scored by 100 students was found to be 14. Okay, so mean is given here, which is found to be 14. Later on, the question is something like this. Later on, it was discovered that a score of later on it was discovered that the score of Later on, it was discovered that a score of 53 was misread as 83. Find the correct mean. Find the correct mean. Can you try this? This is different. Now, see, please understand the question. The mean of marks scored by 100 students was found to be 40. Okay. Initially, the mean was found to be 40. Later on, it was discovered that a score of 53 in this observation, in that 40 observation, one score was, it was discovered that a score of 53 was misread as 83. Actually, it was 53, but by mistakenly, it was taken as 83. So now you have to find the correct mean. Will you do that?
I'm like the score of one student was 53.
Huh. Okay.
I did it.
Okay. Do. Let others also do. Please mute.
Ma'am, I'm not getting.
Please try.
Ma'am, I've tried, but like I cannot get.
Okay, then wait for some time.
Ma'am, I am doing like 40 plus 53 plus 83 by 3. Can we do like that? Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, you are in mute.
Hello. Okay, see, the mean of marks scored by 100 students was found to be 40. The mean of marks. Okay. Second.
Hello, ma'am.
I'm here only. So the mean score of the students mean is given to be 40. Okay. Let's take one by one what we are given here. Okay. And the mean marks scored by 100 students was found to be 40. Okay, the mean is found to be 40. Later on, it was discovered. So whatever, suppose we were given some values here, okay, from here till x 100, right? These were the marks scored by 100 students, okay?
Divided by 100.
And by 100, the mean was given to be 40. Now it was up later on, it was discovered that one of the observation, which was actually 53, it was misread as 83. That means, what will I do here? That means one
Ma'am,
of
why did you write x plus x?
Ma'am,
I've
instead of
just
x, we'll
written
write
the
53.
I have just written the observations in this way. Okay.
Mother and father should be there, right?
So this is x1 plus x2, all this. That means what is the difference between 83 and 53 here?
30.
This
Ma'am, 30.
30 is the difference. No? So that means okay. Okay, so what we will do here is 30. We are given this is see here. We just cross multiply this. इसको भी छोड़ दो. So this becomes 40 into 100 will give you the sum total of all these values. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm also trying first. Let's see what we get. Okay, so this is all x1, x2, so much. Okay, now we know that the difference between the misread value and the actual value is 30 degrees. Sorry, 30. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so that means what we will do,
We should
we will
subtract
subtract
4000
30.
from.
We will subtract 30 from this side. This
Yes,
is the total of all the values, no? So we will subtract 30 from this side.
Ma'am, can you just hold up for a bit? I'll just take the I'll just take the screenshot.
What do you want to take the screenshot first? Let me do first. Okay.
Okay.
Ah. So this is the total. I'm subtracting 30 from this side, from the sum total. That means my mean value will also have some difference there. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, no, I cannot subtract this. Let's take this side as this only. Okay. Let's take the mean value as this only, and I'm subtracting this from here. Okay, so let it.
Mama, I got 39.7.
Yes, yes, that's correct, beta. So this is x1 plus x2. When you subtract this from here, that means you are adding this with the mean value here, 30.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, is it coming this?
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. What is it?
Yes, Ritesh?
Ma'am?
No. No, no, this is going a different. Let me check.
Ma'am, do we need to subtract from 4000
Yes,
or
yes, subtract only. Okay. So see here, the difference, okay. It was given here that it was misread as 83, no?
83?
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
we had to add here. Okay, so when it goes on the other side, this will be 30. So when you
Yes,
add here, what do you get here?
ma'am, we get 3970.
3970. And this value will be your sum of observations. Right?
Yes.
Here, like this. So that means the sum total of all these values is now
3970.
7. Okay, so your new mean will be what? 3970
3970 divided by 100.
divided by 100. So that will be 39.7.
39.7.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Same answer.
So let's do it in a shorter
Ma'am, can you, I didn't understand. Can you repeat again?
I'll explain you now. So don't take this. You have the cutting stuff using it. So take this. Okay, so this is the actual value was 53. No, it was taken as this. Okay, so see here. We were taking the mean. Initially, the mean was 40. It was taken by mistakenly. The mean was taken to be 40. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the sum of all these observations, what I did, I just multiplied this on the other side. Cross multiplied like this, right? So this became 4000 and this side I had sum of all my observations, all the 100 observations. Okay. But
Okay, ma'am.
what was
Ma'am,
it?
but why did we use the X?
What happened?
Why did we use X?
X because that's an unknown quantity, no? We don't know what are the
Because we don't know
all
the
the
value.
observations, no? We don't know that, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we had to take X only. Okay. So this So now when we added 30 this side, okay, when we added, there was a difference of 30 marks, no? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so 30 was added this side. So when we added 30 this side, then later on we took 30 on the other side. Okay, so we just had to find the number of sum of observations. Okay, this is what actually adding all these observations is all sum of observations only, no? To find the new mean. How will we find the new mean? To find the new mean, we need the sum of observations. Okay, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. I
Yes,
understand
ma'am.
that the mean is equal to number sum of observations by number of observations. So I got it. So,
Okay.
so when we divide
Let me just
and
do
subtract is called as mean. Cool, right?
Okay.
Why
Yes,
do you
beta.
end the class?
What happened?
Why do you end the class?
What?
Why do you end the class?
I have not ended the class.
When will the class end, ma'am?
Let me just explain this question first. Okay, so what I have done, I took 30 this side, it is subtracted this side, and we got the sum of all observations. Okay, so we got 3,970, that is the sum of all observations. Okay, so to find the new mean, so new mean will be sum of observations upon number of observations. Okay, so that is 39.7. Right, children?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now,
Ma'am, can you scroll up? I'll write the question.
okay. Okay. Soumya, did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is Santosh Rao?
Ma'am, actually, I'm Adrit.
Okay, Adrit. Rayansh, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Anyone, any child who did not understand?
I got it. So I understood the mean
Ma'am, I
of
didn't
marks
understand.
scored by 100 students was found to be 40. Later on, it was discovered that the score of 53 was measured as 83. Find the correct mean.
Yes, what happened? Who is this?
His name is actually not Rayan, it's Afan. He's my cousin.
Ma'am, you can scroll down.
Yes. Still more down? Okay, should I give you one question for homework?
Yes. Give
Yes,
one
ma'am.
question for homework.
Okay, okay, take it. Take
Ah,
it. What happened?
I didn't write the fourth question.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, let me just take the question. The mean weight per student in a group of 7 students, okay, the individual weight of 6 students. Okay, take this. The mean weight, please note down with me because the class time has ended. I cannot stay for long now. Okay, so please note down. The mean weight per student in a group of 7 students is 55 kg. The individual weights of 6 of them in kgs are, now the weights are given as 52, 54, 55, 53, 56, and 54. Find the weight.
Ma'am, 54 is repeated, right? We should write it again, right?
So 52, 54, 55, 53, 56, and 54.
Okay.
Find the weight of the 7th student. Find the weight of the 7th student. So this is your question. Please note down quickly. I'm just reading
Ma'am,
the question.
actually, the other question I didn't got it properly, like what X1. So in the next class, can you explain me?
I'll explain you. Okay, I'll explain you. We have class tomorrow only.
Okay.
Please note down this question. I'm reading the question again. The mean weight per student in a group of 7 students is 55 kg. The individual weights of 6 of them in kgs are 52, 54, 55, 53, 56, and 54. Find the weight of the
Check
seventh
the mute,
student.
please. There's some disturbance.
Find the weight of the 7th student. And okay, Siddhant, you were saying you want to take a screenshot of the above question. Have you taken?
Ma'am, this app doesn't allow to take screenshot. I wrote it in my rough note.
Ma'am, no, Zoom allows to take screenshot.
Okay, okay. Never mind, I'll explain it again.
Okay.
Have all written this?
Amma,
No, ma'am, almost done.
Almost.
Okay, those who have written can leave the class.
Bye, ma'am. Good night.
Bye, Beta. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.